Hello dear students, and this video especially I am making for the student of class 8th। तो जैसा कि आपका कंपोजिशन में जो नरेटिव ऐसे करके जो चैप्टर है उसमें देर आर 5 क्वेश्चंस आर गिवन देयर। तो उन पांचों क्वेश्चंस का ऐसे यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है और ये पहले क्वेश्चन का आंसर है और जिसमें लिखना है आपको एन इंसिडेंट दैट चेंज माई एटीट्यूड या योर एटीट्यूड टुवार्ड्स बेगर करके जो पहला क्वेश्चन है उसका ही आंसर है। तो इसमें लिखा वन इंसिडेंट दैट चेंज माई एटीट्यूड टुवर्ड्स बेगर्स फॉर एवर ऑकवर्ड ऑन अ बिजी स्ट्रीट कॉर्नर इन होम टाउन। आई वॉज वॉकिंग होम फ्रॉम स्कूल लॉस्ट इन थॉट when I noticed an elderly woman sitting on the pavement begging for alms. At first I ignored her as I had grown accustomed to seeing beggars on the streets. However, as I walked past her, accidentally dropped my wallet. The elderly woman quickly picked it up and called out to me. I turned around, expecting her to ask for money, but instead she handed me my wallet with a warm smile. मतलब यहाँ पे बताया कि एक बार मैं जा रहा था तो मतलब एक्सीडेंटली मेरा बटुआ है जो वॉलेट है वो गिर पड़ा। तो जो बूढ़ी बुजुर्ग महिला थी उसने इसको जल्दी से उठा लिया और फिर मुझे बुलाया और जब मैंने पीछे मुड़ के देखा तो एक्सपेक्टिंग हर टू आस्क फॉर मनी, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि वो पैसे मांगेगी, बट इंस्टेड इसके बजाय हुआ क्या, सी हैंडेड मी माई वॉलेट विद ए वार्म स्माइल, उसने मुझे हंस करके मेरा बटुआ जो है वापस कर दिया। आई वॉज टेकन अवेक बाय हर काइंडनेस एंड ऑनेस्टी। हियर वॉज अ वुमन हु हैड नथिंग येट शी चोज टू रिटर्न माई वॉलेट इंस्टेड ऑफ कीपिंग इट फॉर herself। द इंसिडेंट चेंज माई एटीट्यूड टुवार्ड्स बेगर फॉर एवर। तो इस वजह से हमारा जो भिखारियों या बेगर्स होते हैं उनके प्रति नज़रिया बदल गया, क्योंकि कुछ लोग ऐसे भी ईमानदार होते हैं कि वो आपकी चीज़ तुरंत वापस कर देते हैं। दिस इंसिडेंट चेंज माई एटीट्यूड टुवार्ड्स बेगर फॉर एवर। आई रियलाइज दैट दे आर नॉट जस्ट पीपल आस्किंग फॉर हैंड आउट्स बट ह्यूमन बींग्स who deserve our respect and compassion. From that day on, फिर उस दिन के बाद से I made a conscious effort to treat beggars with a kindness and dignity, and I started carrying small packets of food and water to distribute those in need. This incident taught me that even the smallest act of kindness can make a big difference in someone's life। तो मतलब जो छोटा काम होता है अगर काइंड भरा है, दया भरा है, तो उससे भी बहुत बड़ा फ़र्क पड़ता है। नाउ द सेकेंड क्वेश्चन जिसमें आपका स्विमिंग लेसन के बारे में पूछा गया है, वो आपकी एक्सरसाइज में क्वेश्चन दिया गया है। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल राइट द क्वेश्चन इन योर फेयर नोटबुक, फिर उसका ये आंसर लिखिएगा। आई स्टिल रिमेंबर माई फर्स्ट स्विमिंग लेसन लाइक इट वॉज यस्टरडे। जैसा लग रहा है कि मतलब वो कल ही हो, बीता हुआ कल हो। मुझे मेरा स्विमिंग का एक्सपीरियंस मतलब मुझे याद है। I was 8 years old and I had always been fascinated by the water. My parents had finally enrolled me in swimming lessons at our local pool. As I stood at the edge of the pool, I felt a mix of excitement and nervousness. The instructor, a kind and patient woman, greeted me with a smile and introduced herself. She explained that we would start with basic water safety skills and gradually move on to strokes. As I tentatively stepped into the pool, the cool water enveloped me, and I felt a sense of unease. The instructor held my hands and helped me get comfortable in the water. She taught me how to breathe, kick, and use my arms to stay afloat. At first, I struggled to coordinate my movements, and my legs would sink to the bottom of the pool. But with each attempt, I gained more confidence. The instructor's encouragement and support helped me to relax and enjoy the experience. By the end of the lesson, I was able to swim a short distance without assistance. As I climbed out of the pool, I felt an overwhelming sense of pride and accomplishment. I couldn't wait to return to the pool for my next lesson and continue learning this new skill. नाउ द क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड, जिसमें आपका मतलब कोई कोई ऐसी घटना हुई है इंटरेस्टिंग आपके बस में, उसका यहाँ पर लिखना है आपको नरेटिव ऐसे। तो वन इंसिडेंट दैट स्टिल ब्रिंग्स स्माइल टू माई फेस took place on my bus, on my school bus. I was a typical morning. It was a typical morning with the bus filled with the chat and laughter. As we stopped at a traffic light, a stray puppy wandered onto the bus. मतलब एक पिल्ला जो है वो आ गया बस में. At first everyone was shocked and didn't know what to do. But then something amazing happened. The puppy, who was shivering with fear, was immediately comforted by the students. We all started patting and cuddling the puppy, and soon it was wagging its tail and licking our faces. The bus driver, who was initially hesitant, couldn't resist the puppy's charms either. He carefully picked up the puppy and cradled it in his arms, saying, I think we have a new passenger on board. The rest of the ride to school was filled with laughter and excitement. We all took turns holding and playing with puppy, and even came up with a name for it, Busky. When we arrived at school, the principal and teachers were surprised to see a puppy on the bus, but they were also delighted by the kindness and compassion shown by the students. The incident not only brought joy to our school day, but also taught us an important lesson about empathy and kindness towards all living beings. Now, the question number four, the mysterious night at Hillside Mansion. मतलब जिसमें घोस्ट के बारे में बोला गया, मतलब जब आप कुछ आपके साथ ऐसी घटना हुई हो जिसमें आप उसके बाद से आप भूतों में मतलब विश्वास करना शुरू कर दिया हो, तो उसका ये नैरेटिव ऐसे. क्वेश्चन नंबर फोर, इट वॉज अ डार्क एंड स्टॉर्मी नाइट एंड आई हैड डिसाइडेड टू एक्सप्लोर द infamous hillside mansion, rumored to be haunted by the ghost of its former owner. Former मतलब owner पहले वाले मालिक. Mr. Edward, my friends had dared me to spend the night in the mansion, and I, being the skeptic that I am, had accepted the challenge. As I entered the mansion, I couldn't shake off the feeling of being watched. The creaking of the old wooden floorboards and the howling of the wind outside only added to the airy atmosphere. I began to explore the mansion room by room, but found nothing out of the ordinary. That was until I stumbled upon a door that seemed to be locked from the inside. I tried to open it, but it wouldn't budge. Suddenly, I heard a faint whisper in my ear. Get out while you still can. I spun around, but there was no one there. The whisper seemed to come from all around me, and it sent shivers down my spine. I tried to convince myself that it was just the wind or my imagination, but deep down, I knew that I had experienced something paranormal, and I quickly unlocked the door and made a run for it, not stopping until I was back in the safety of my own home. From that day on, I couldn't shake off the feeling that I had encountered something supernatural. The experience had left me with a newfound respect for the paranormal, and I could no longer deny the existence of ghosts. Now it's the last one question of your exercise. Question number five: a heroic at the shopping center. I was shopping at my local mall on a busy Saturday afternoon when I witnessed an incredible act of bravery. As I was browsing through a clothing store, I heard a cloud. I heard a loud commotion coming from the food court. I rushed to the scene to find a massive fire engulfing a nearby restaurant. Flames were licking and sealing. The people were running for their lives. That's when I saw a young man, later identified as 25-year-old chef named Alex, rush into the burning building. Without hesitation, Alex began rescuing people trapped inside, including a mother and her two young children. He carried them out of the restaurant, one by one, handed them over to the waiting paramedics, and the fire department arrived soon after, and Alex helped them evacuate the remaining people from the surrounding area. Despite the intense heat and smoke, Alex remained calm and focused, ensuring everyone's safety. The entire incident was over in a matter of minutes, but the impact of Alex's heroic act will stay with me forever. His selfless bravery and quick thinking saved countless lives that day, and will always be remembered as a true hero. तो ये आपके पांचों नेगेटिव वेज हैं, इसके आंसर हैं, इनको ले लीजिए। इनके कुछ डिफ़िकल्ट वर्ड्स हैं, उनको आप खुद से सर्च करके आप उनके लिए इजी वर्ड्स फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं, सिनोनिम्स वो लिख सकते हैं। बहुत सारी एडिटिंग है जो आप खुद से कर सकते हैं, नए वर्ड्स ऐड कर सकते हैं। सो मैनी थिंग्स आर पॉसिबल, उन्हें कर सकते हैं। एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।